Hi everyone, I'm Ambrose with 3i Technologies. We're in Dallas, Texas, the very last stop in the Connected Solutions Expo series. Together with Samsung and AT&T, the vendors here are showcasing the latest in mobility hardware and software technologies. Let's talk to a few partners. All right, Ted, what's been 2025 like with AT&T?
It's been a lot of energy. We've had such an exciting time at the events that we've had here, both here and in Houston that I've attended. There's a tremendous energy from the AT&T sellers. Tremendous energy, and a lot of excitement about the new products.
2025 has been nothing but outstanding between RAM, AT&T, and Samsung. And we couldn't have done it without our partners at 3i.
Oh, that's so kind of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much. But yeah, honestly, we've had a great year with this group. It's been nice meeting some of the AT&T sellers and coordinating on projects. You know, at RAM, we're kind of everybody's trying to get a mobile device. They're trying to get connected, and so AT&T and Samsung solve that mobile device need, that connected need. But RAM really speaks to like the day in the life of the device, and so we want to be there as a resource to AT&T and Samsung to solve real customer solutions, and these events have helped us do that.
We're making a lot of inroads in that. You know, we're identifying common customers, opportunities where we can benefit, both organizations can benefit, and we can solve the customer's ultimate problems, which, you know, we're all trying to fundamentally do. So there's value there for the customer, for AT&T and Ralph, for me, and for the sellers. You know, the sellers are out there, yeah, they're doing the hard yards, they're trying to make money, they're trying to solve problems for their customers, sell solutions, and you know, we're part of that solution set. So we're really happy with the progress. Could it be better? Sure, everything can be better, but we, you know, 2025 was about making inroads, and we feel we've made good inroads. So, yeah, and part of it, quite frankly, has been this show. This show's been really good for us. 3i, the engagement with AT&T and Samsung has been phenomenal. Yeah, and personally, I'd like to thank you guys.
I would say a very exciting year for us. A lot of changes, a lot of positive changes. Primarily right now, our rebranding, changing from Fleet Complete to Power Fleet, has been a lot of fun, right? And really reintroducing the brand to both sellers, customers, and showing them what we're all capable of through the partnership with AT&T. So it's definitely been a lot of fun. Right now, really moving the needle forward, both in our public sector and our private sector business, to demonstrate what we are capable of showing them on a day-to-day.
Thank you so much. We'll see you in 2026.
Look forward to it. Thank you very much.